Hi, my name is Akankshya Upadhyay and I am your English instructor. In today's class, we will be learning about how to use the correct form of present tense in a sentence. This is in the grammar portion of our 9th unit. So let's begin. Use of different form of present tense. Present tense is not only used for describing places and people at present, but also for various communicative forms or communicative functions. We will look at some of these sentences from different contexts and identify the context and then complete the sentence with correct form of verbs in the bracket. So the first question will be, the earth move round the sun. So this is a universal fact. So the context is universal truth. Hence, we use the form by writing the earth moves round the sun. We use simple present tense in this context because it is the universal truth. We do not say the earth is moving round the sun, though it's moving right now at this point. Still, we don't use is moving because it is the universal truth, and universal truth should always be in simple present tense. The second question. Anu generally go to school. So though this is not a universal truth, it is still a truth and a fact that happens every day. Since Anu is admitted to a school, she goes to school every day. Hence, we make this sentence in present tense as well. We convert it to simple present tense. Anu generally goes to school. Preeti liked playing football. Now here, Preeti is a singular noun. She is one girl, Preeti. In case of singular noun, the verb we use should always be in plural form. So Preeti, because Preeti is a singular noun, the verb is taken in plural form. Preeti likes playing football. Another example. They paint the house at this moment. So since they are painting the house at this moment, that means that they are painting the house right now. The form of verb we use must be in continuous form, since they have been painting the house. So we write, they are painting. Are painting because they are doing it right now. The action is happening at this moment. Don't disturb me, I write. You wouldn't want somebody to disturb you while you're writing. So because you're writing right now, you're asking him not to disturb you. So the verb we use will be present continuous here as well. And we say, don't disturb me, I am writing. Let's go through another example. Kunti not arrived yet. So Kunti has not arrived at this moment. We are talking about an event that should have happened, but the effect is still here and has not happened. So we need to use Kunti has not arrived yet. Why did we use has here? Because the effect of the action is concerned. We are concerned about the effect of the action. So Kunti has not arrived yet. I not meet her since Dasai. So here, the action that you have not met her is concerning in the present because you're saying that you haven't met her since Dasai. So the action has already happened that you have not met each other, but the effect is still in the present. You're concerned about the effect in the present. In these cases, we use have or has depending upon the subject in a sentence. So in the previous example, we were looking at Kunti. So Kunti is one person, hence we use has. Here in the second example, we are using example with subject I. So we use have because you have not met her and you're concerned about it till now. So the action has the effect in the present. Hence we use the form has or have. So since the subject is I here, we use have. I have not met her since Dasai. I have not met her since Dasai. Take the umbrella. It rained outside. So you would want to take the umbrella, obviously, if it's raining right now. If it's not raining, you wouldn't take an umbrella with you. So we understand that it's raining at this moment, hence we use the continuous form of present tense. Hence we say, take the umbrella. It is raining outside. So this is the present continuous form. We will look at one last example. So you're saying, listen, someone sing. So which form of present tense would you use in this sentence? You want the person to listen to the noise or the sound right now if it's actually happening. So we understand that this is happening at this moment. So we use the present continuous form and say, listen, someone is singing. So we are saying this because someone is singing right now and you want the other person to listen to that voice. This is all for today's class. I will leave you with some homework. So this is your homework for today's class. Complete the sentence with the correct form of present tense using the verb in the brackets. I hope this was a great class. If you have any questions, any suggestions, or any comments, please feel free to write to us at learning@deerwalk.edu.np. Thanks for watching.